Okay, hello everyone. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can de-index one of the web page in your WordPress website. So for example, if let's say when you are checking your search engine result page for your website on Google and you find that one of the page you do not want Google to show, so what you can do is that go to your website and install a plugin called No Indexer. So this is a plugin that you can install. So after you install this plugin, all you need to do is to go to specific page where you want to take out from the search engine index. So for example, this is the page privacy policy, and I'll click edit, and I will make sure this page tab is selected. Scroll down and check this box, no index this page, and click save. Okay, so that's how you can make one of the page to no index, and Google will remove this page from their search engine result. Hope you find this tip useful. Thank you.